Hello guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to open social media icons onto the new tab in the Divi theme. Let's get started. Go to the editor and open the social icon file inside include folder. Here you have to just add target blank attribute in the anchor tag. Save the file. You can see here it's working. Another method is with jQuery. For this, click on the Theme Options menu. Then go to the Integration tab. Write the jQuery code here. Here we are targeting anchor tag with his ET social icons parent class. Copy this class and paste it here. After writing the code, save it and reload the page. You can see here it's working. Thanks for watching.